pouring in the peels. Put quite a bit of orange peels in. Getting ready to pour in the vinegar. And we already know we don't have enough vinegar, so I didn't put all of the orange peels in. So we'll be filling it to the top though, and we'll have lots of great orange vinegar. So now, as you can see, it's just distilled vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar you want. I've used homemade apple cider vinegar, distilled vinegar, store-bought apple cider vinegar. Doesn't really matter as long as you have the vinegar to cover.
Now.
And
if it will cover with the pressure.
And it'll cover.
Yep.
And we can lay a rock on top of that if we need to, but I don't think we'll need to.
No, but you can put about half of this one in then.
Yeah.
And then we don't need that much pressure on it.
Rob's going to pour a little bit more vinegar in. But I still need a little bit of vinegar for canning, so we're trying to figure out if we need that whole bottle or just a little bit of it.
Well, later you'll be putting more in, so you'll need more then.
Absolutely, because we're going to have lots of vinegar.
And this one you can use for cleaning and...
Rob knows about
we only need about that much pressure.
Oh, my plate. Oh, in your hands probably. Stained or something. Anyway, there we go. You got it. That's how you got to do.
Even just use this.
Let's just lay that on top. Here is the orange vinegar that we made a few months ago, about 3 months ago. And Rob is straining it. So he strains it this way, and you can see he's been squeezing it. It's amazing how much liquid actually does come out of the orange.
Yeah, but all of them were squeezed before, so this is the vinegar that the peels and all that sucked back up.
Yeah, that's what wasn't draining out of the colander, and that's what I would just throw away normally. But I've only done small amounts, so that's part of, you know, that was back in the days I knew about composting. Before YouTube, for me anyway. And, but Rob's got that we're doing. And one of the things, too, I noticed is the oranges are not as orange. The color has come out of the peeling, see? Interesting.
And the vinegar turned from white to orange.
Distilled white vinegar originally in that jug.
Now it's orange vinegar.
No, it's orange, and the color is more orange. So, that's pretty interesting. I have never made this much orange vinegar at one time. I've always just dropped it in the jug as we've had oranges or whatever, but I've never made this much. This one alone is making how many gallons, Rob?
Well, we're at 2.5 gallons right now
of vinegar. And that's
and we still got, see, even here it's still draining more down in the bottom, see? But all the liquid was out, but now there's an inch or 2 inches down there.
So anyway, that's about 2.5 gallons of vinegar.
2.5 right now. When we fill this up, that's 3 gallons of orange vinegar.
Yeah, and we won't have to go out and buy vinegar for a bit because I'll use
Not
this.
orange vinegar.
Yeah, this is great for cleaning. It's great for your complexion. It's good for all kinds of stuff. It's not just for degreasing or anything and cleaning, but for many different things. So, and I made a pomegranate vinegar too.
Well, it has a lot of vitamin C in it because a lot of the vitamin C from an orange is in the peel.
Exactly, and pomegranates have a lot of vitamin C and antioxidants. So I now have orange vinegar that we made. I have apple
cider
peeling,
vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar, and I have
pomegranate.
Yeah,
But that stuff was strong.
It was.
Even the smell of it, you're just going, whoa!
Knocked the air right out of you guys. It was potent, that pomegranate was. And this one still retains a lot of the smell of the oranges. Yeah.
Yeah, more than the vinegary smell.
Yep. So, there you got it, finally. Start to finish for orange vinegar. Okay. Yep. I think we're going to get a full gallon here. Woohoo, look at that. With a little bit left over. And I'll just put that in a spray bottle and use it for my canning, cleaning, pouring it into my canning, my pressure canner.
3 gallons plus that.
And that much there. Yeah. Okay. And I got a mess to clean. But I got vinegar now to do a good job.
This one you should probably keep under here.
Yeah, I'll keep it
under.
under.
We got 2 stored away.
Yep, under the sink.